Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be working with one of the kits that can only be found online. This is the Saying Thanks kit. I showed you this in my haul video. I think it was on the 6th. So this is what the kit looks like. It comes in a box that's similar to the paper pumpkin, but not. But yeah, this is a non-stamping kit. So there isn't a stamp set in here. But it does have sentiment, I think stickers. Let's get into this thing. This is super cute. I'm loving all these bright colors. So we have some white twine here. Some cute little embellishments. They're like holographic. Cute, right? Okay, and then we have some dimensional strips. The envelopes. So these are the envelopes. They're only decorated on the flap there. On the other side, they're plain. And then we have some card bases. So we have 3 of each kind. So I'm going to go ahead and get those out, 1 of each here. Let's move our little packages. Here's the other one. And then this is the last one here. Cute, right? I'm loving these colors. This kit, if I'm remembering correctly, was only $13. So let's get the instructions out. How about we do that? Again, this is Saying Thanks kit. And it's just showing you all the little different things that you need to make each card. On the back here, it shows you all the contents of your kit. And it has, what are these things called? The QR codes. Like it says, stampitupbeginner.com. You can use the QR codes, the Stampin' Up kits, the QR code. Coordinating colors for this kit is Basic Black, Daffodil Delight, Gorgeous Grape, Granny Apple Green, Poppy Parade, and Tahitian Tide. One of my favorite in colors. Okay, in this kit, what does it make? 9 cards. So let's go ahead and get started because this is going to be quick and easy. So I'm going to go ahead and fold over our pre-scored card bases. This is not like basic white cardstock, I don't believe. The kits are made with something else because it feels a little thinner. Okay, so we're going to do that. The languages, the sentiments come in different languages, but we're going to get You're the Best, To Say, Just Wanted, because I'm assuming we're going to need all of these. I Appreciate You, and the rest are in a different language, so we'll put them to the side. Okay, so you get 3 sets of those. Then here's the little heart card front. So we're going to pop all these hearts out. Whoop. And you want to save these hearts. Valentine's Day is coming up. We can use these. Okay, so I got all the hearts out of that. Next, we're going to get our thanks out of here. And then the thank you. And you get 3 sheets of those, and it comes in different languages. I believe it's Dutch, French, and German, I believe. Okay, so now let's go ahead and put our cards together. So we're going to start with this one. And this one needs the thanks. You're the best. And we're just gonna put some dimensionals on the back of this. So we're gonna get some dimensional strips. These are the little shorter ones. Gonna put it right on the back of this, like that. And I'll use a shorter one on this one as well. I'm sure if I look in the instructions, it'll probably tell me what to do. I'm gonna use 2 down here, but I also want to put a little piece up here. So we're going to put that down and cut it. And then this little piece, whoop, come on, I'll go right there. We need some of the twine. I'm trying to find the end here. And the twine, it says we need 9.5 inches. So on the side of your instructions, there is a ruler. So we need 9.5. So this is 9.5, about right there. Okay. Then we're just gonna kind of crisscross it like that. Just kind of crisscross it like that there. Make 2 loops, one on each end. Then we're just gonna put our thanks right on top of it, okay? Okay. Let's get all these backings off. I think we need to put it over here a little bit more to this side. I'm gonna put it just like this. Then where did I put our You're the Best? You're the best. Thanks, you're the best. Just like that. And we're gonna put our embellishments on at the end, okay? So the next card, we will do this one. And we're gonna take Just Wanted to Say. So Just Wanted to Say. And for this one, let's see. We're going to put the dimensionals on the back of these 2 words, like so. And then on this little partial circle, we're just going to put it on the bottom. Just on the bottom. And how many inches of the twine do we need for this one? For this one, we need, 9.5 as well. Okay. Let me go ahead and cut it. For this one, we need 6 inches, it says. So about right there. Okay, so now we're going to put our words. Let's see, Just Wanted to Say. And then we're going to put this right here. So you want it about like that. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this one down. Just Wanted to Say, about right there. Just wanted to say, about like this. Take this off. Then we're gonna, I almost forgot. I probably should have put this on before I put the other ones on. I think. We're just gonna have to change up our design a little bit because I forgot about our little ribbon here. Let's see. Let's see how that looks. Needs to come over a little bit more so that we can put this right here. And we're gonna have to put something under that to hold that twine down. Ooh. So let's do that. That'll hold that down since I didn't put it under the other ones. Okay, so that one's done. Lastly, we have this one, and we're going to use the longer strips on this. So we're going to take these and put 3 on here. So we're going to put one at the bottom, one across the top, and one in the middle, just like that. Then we're going to take our card base, and we're just going to lay it right over that like so. And we're going to get our sentiment, pop that one up. Don't forget our twine this time. We're going to do the same thing, except for this one is a little shorter because it's just going behind the small sentiment. Going to put it like that. I appreciate you. I'm going to sit that right here in this open spot. Okay, so now those are the 3 cards, and now we're going to decorate with some of the little gems they gave us. So let's put a couple on. Let's see where they put them. Let's see, let's see, let's see. So for this card, I think they just put them all around. Just put them anywhere you like. Whatever floats your fancy. Let's see. One more. I'll put it here. Okay, that's that one. That's cute. Nice and simple, but really cute. Okay, and on this one, I think they put like 5, but these are some cute embellishments. I don't want to use them all up. Because I don't know what my alternates are going to be, because I know I want to make some alternates. Okay, that's cute. And then this one. This one, this one, this one. Let's put one here. How about one inside? I don't want it on that color. Let's see. I don't know where I want to put this one. I'll put it down here. That way, it'll be a triangle going this way. And we'll put it right here. Right in the heart. Like so. These are cute. But this is the Saying Thanks kit. I believe it's $13. And the ordering number is 162361. And these kits can be found at stampinup.com/kits. And they're available while supplies last. So if you like it, go ahead and go get it. I would appreciate your business, but that is all I have for you today. That's it. That is all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.